Yes, I mean here Newton Hanson. Born a old man them come from South St. Elizabeth. You know, say so upper south, you know. Farming area that, you know, when you come from carrot, tomato and them things, you know. Melon, scallion. Up the way, but my old man left and come at Chilani. But that's south we come from. Because when we come here, we don't have no brother, no sister, no cousin, nobody at all. We just come here. And that's how my old man come and start buy land. We born 1956. I am 68 years old. Right? April I come here, I will be 69. Right. Get 14 picnic from. You know how much picnic I get? 14 of. I get 14. I get 13 boy. How does this me do for my life? Farm, raise enough cow, raise enough goat. Because if you look up there, you know, you see one goat pen, the fence up there, and we from up in the hill they come from here. I'll show you goat there. But I just love the farming, I don't see nothing more. I love the farming and none of my pigeons them not love it. It's me talk. None of them not love it, you know. Not see me cow them they want, you know. And look at the amount of land me have over there. So. You see when you grow on high bridge, all them cow pasture here look on the wire up there, you know. And the wire is up, you know. See they come from way up there, you know. And a goat pen. Right now, goat over up and in one piece of level, but the fence like how you see me do it, you know. And see me come down and go down so. And see me have more keep them, me take a whole hillside go back home so go lag up. And just have less problem with them, you understand me? That's how me do my thing, man. You know, so me work out there for 30 odd years, you know. One company as supervisor, you know. Me the boss get. Talk to me certain way and me no feel awful. So I left it. And I come home and I say, oh, I'll plant some cane. Because my old man used to plant cane. And I plant cane and cane ain't go on with nothing. So I say, we try cow. When we try cow disease coming around, people don't want no cow get cheap. And I say, you know, I'll try some planting. I put in 2 acre planting. And 3 acre ginger. And that's first me thought. 3 acre ginger, you whole over when you look at the long out of me yard a ginger, you know. The first year with ginger come good. The second year, when me see every seedling and plant back, disease reach me so. Me flap. And me say, you know what I do now? Planting come up, disease come and give me a beating same way. So me say, I'll try yellow yam. And I go up in one hills up there so. And I plant some yellow yam and ganja. That's me start from me and my brother. And I just continue. You understand me? My old people and give me a nice house. My wife out of yard. The old man give me a nice piece of land up to pass spend it. That's what I'm saying. I have a nice ranch up there so when I make out a farm. You know. $1,000 you know. This a year out of yellow yam. You know. I make $3 million and something out of yellow yam. You know. So, I'm grateful like it. I mean, I work for a man and a man can work as me like. A man push me around. When I feel like go sleep, I go sleep. When I feel like do something, I do something. Man, I have to give thanks to life and oh, God bless me. I mean, I encourage a whole for young boys. Get in a farming and without food, no country can go nowhere. You understand me? And these prime minister now, they don't respect the dirty man, them like a dirty man and call it. They don't respect it. But I will run the things, I will run country. Even America, look how much yam them there. They know where come from, they know hard work we put it there. You know how much chocolate of bamboo stick me by brethren. Enough money. But me still give thanks, brother. You look on it, so you know that easy, boy, but it's nice. Alright, if you begin yam, yam take 8 months to come in. And between the 8 months, you know, say if you sell and not save it, between the 8 months, you know, and hold for picking your gas school, between the 8 months, if you not save yam, it take 8 months. 8 months you have to sit down and wait before you start make money, but you see from June, July, remember me say from June, July, every God Almighty day, you can make 50,000, 100,000. Me mean every day, you know? Every day every God send come. You can make 50, you can make 100, and you know, so you sell one place at St. Mary. Every 2 weeks you can take 1,000 yam. You know when you look at how much $100,000 that. Plus people, you can't broke, but between the other 8 months without, you will suffer if you not save out it, because it take a long time for free funds coming, you understand me? So you have to be careful with what you do, because it's hard. Yeah, man. You have to make up your mind to do it. I mean, I love me yam bank, them chaka, you know. I love everything. You saw them line up, you love everything line up in a space. And when you dig each row each time in a line. Because if you don't dig it up, a man will rob you. You don't know. Hold up a work. Because first thing, if you land rough, you have to get the tractor cut. You get a one cut. You land did it to burn, because you see when you cut it early and you land did it and burn, the sun burn the land. Because if the tractor just cut it, you have to dig it and bank it rough, you know. You make it earth kind of burn out, so when you dip it back, the soil get softer and loose up. You understand me? And you have to get fork, man to dig it. You have to pay for dig it. Each yam tick, you know. Each yam tick a man, you look on there, you know. At $20, you know. And for dig a hole, at $50. You understand me? If you buy a bamboo, you know, buy the bamboo, you have to pay a man to cut it. And you have to load it on the truck, we can come dump ya. Man, the big hole, you have to have a man there drop in his stick. So it take a lot, but me tell you, say, when June, July step in, man, you can't clean. Take off your clothes. You understand me? I encourage young man to come in at this, man. It's beautiful. Well, you're in Lower Trelawney. Lower Trelawney. We're right beside the Cockpit Mountain. All these mountains where you look on, the Cockpit Mountain come stop right there, so. Right out there, out of one place, out there, so the maroon they may fight, you know. I last I Cockpit, you know. And if you go through here, so you end up quite a quick step. If you go through the mountain, you say, you know, you have one place in the Agole. So if you go through Agole and go in, you drop out a quick step in a St. Elizabeth. Easy walk, you know. Easy walk through the mountain. And you know, say from here to St. Elizabeth, a pure mountain, you know. My brethren, if you ever go in there, man, so you think land out here, so man, go in and see some big level. if government went cut the road, how bad them bad to you? So because government, if the government went cut the road, because then reach far in, you know. Just go reach up a quick step, it would be a good tourist thing, man. A man with a farm in there. Man will buy them big trunk, pick up and walk in there and come out. But you can't carry nothing out there, brother. You can't carry nothing out there. Sounds bad, man. But the best yam to plant right now are the black wheat. This is one we call it black wheat. Yeah, black wheat. Can't miss a fight. And when the black wheat go for beer, you know, one bank they give you all £60, £50, you know. One bank of yam, you know. Because I dig some yam off that tree down there so last year. 2 bank give me 130 pounds. 2 bank of black wheat give me 130 pounds. Nobody now buy them. So sometimes you're glad say the infirmary, hospital, and the infirmary and hospital buy them. You know, through the cook, restaurant, airport, buy those. Well, you see the younger one them now, them love easy things, easy work. But not gonna work out. You have to steal his style because my old man, you know, my old man have, you know, 14 boy, you know, and 3 girls, you know. And out of majority of them, I'm the one clean pan fiend type of work, you know. And do it the farming. The other rest of them, England, America, Bahamas, Canada. You understand me? Yeah. But me come back in and I say, I left here. I a Jamaican. And I have to till the soil. I have to feed the people them. This year, you get 300, you catch a price this year for $300 a pound. Right? $300 a pound. So it was a good price. And the next time, it's at $20. So there is ups and going on it. Like me now, my yam now, by August me they come, me catch a good price. Yam can't last so long, man. As long as you're not sticky, not boring. You can't dig them up and then stay there. But if you're jokey, it goes spoil. But as long as you don't get no, you're not damage it. It serves for long, man. Serve for long. Now let me tell you something. So when a man have food, you have food and you have money. But it's when you have money, money is just money. Because if you come to buy me yam for 200 pounds and I say, I not sell it, and you go on, I say, man, go cook your money, brother. Go put your money in a pot and see if you can cook it. Your money can't put in a pot and cook. But it's when you have food, you're independent, man. Food is money and food. Very independent. You want one bungalow kalalo man, you just go cut it. You want a piece of yam, you dig it fresh and eat. You want one bunch of banana, you cut off half it. Probably not a pear, you have half stand it till it ripe up. You want a piece of ginger, you go dig it. You want a piece of turmeric, you go dig it. A fresh thing, man, you're not eating nothing. And look for me, you saw the lily? I mean a full on meat and chicken and them things, you know, brother. It's a juice, man. I mix anything where you want to mix up. This is all the yellow yam. If you ever blend up that. Blend up with your dragon and your milk and whatever you want to put in it. Bad man. You cook the yellow yam. Then you blend it. And you have your guineas. Your dragon. You want to put your sausage and your Irish mash. Your linseed. Everything you blend up in it. Roll a piece of land me have around this hour. 4 acres and a pine me have around there right now. Right now, if you stand up and look for a pine, brother, your head raised. You see, when you have land, man, no ramp with it. I choose for me boy them gaze, you know. If you look for land all around there, so the boy them should have some strong grass house stand up and round there, so like a... What? Because a road come in, you know, brother, a road comes straight up to you in here, so, you know. And anyway, you say you can't build house. See, main road over there, so there. You cut your road, go, nobody can tap, you cut your road when you say go road. But them don't want it. Abby don't want it, and get it, can't get it. Then I make sure you lower Chinani. I don't know what wrong boy, but hey, you may not know. I don't know both. Fine, you have to go anywhere and talk about me, and a man tell you so. The Rasta man, you don't know who that man. This man never tell a man no. I don't want myself for my money, you know, my brethren. Me is a people man. Me is a people man. Me is a people man. Fuck a money. Me is a people man. When my boy them come in and say, Daddy, the little man listen. Me no know sport thing because me say me no know sport thing again. You know. Right? Me have a nice house. And they want to take me from my old man place. So, and me say, yes, so me born and yes, so me go. When then they can me go? When you're not ready, man, you're not going. I let you feel like when the boy come here and tell me, say, man, see the road, just chop the place, come through there so your road come down. Look for a nice place where you can build. The man, them love foreign. Fucking man, them love foreign. The man, them now come and come set up and set and build some nice house and come kick back and feel good. All of them land, man. All of them land, really fun. Thousand of bank, man. Thousand of bank.